Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever location you are watching this video. And a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the complete Questpond team to everyone. Today on this YouTube channel, we are here to make an announcement. From Questpond, we have made some of the videos completely free so that you can quickly start learning Azure, you can quickly start learning MVC, you can quickly start learning Angular, you can quickly start learning SharePoint, BizTalk, right? And lots of other technologies out there. So if you go to questpond.com, we have something called as demo videos. Now, we know that we have said this as demo videos, but this really are not really demo videos, right? What we have done here is from our complete lecture list, we have made the first 1 or 2 videos free for everyone, right? So for example, you want to learn Azure. So if you click on this link, you will be taken to this kind of a page out here where you will find that there is a 1 hour of video which explains you to quickly understand how to get registered on the Azure website, how to go and open up a virtual machine, how to go ahead and host a website and so on. So it basically gets you quick kick started in Azure. In the same way, Angular. So in Angular also, if you go here, you will find that there is Learn Angular series. So in the Angular also, we have made like 16 chapters free out here. At least it will help you to get started with ng-serve, ng-build, create an UI, do the binding. As a developer, what my understanding is, if I want to learn any new technology, somebody has to help me get kick-started. Once I get kick-started, right, then the ball just gets rolling, isn't it? So you can see here, go ahead to questpond.com, click on this demo videos out here and pick up your topic, Azure, certification of Azure, MSBI, MVC, Angular. You want to prepare for interviews, Angular interview questions. You are a fresher. Learn C# step-by-step .NET fundamentals, 4 hours of free video, guys. If you're a fresher, we are very, very concerned. Like we can see 37 lessons completely free out here. Same way, SQL Server, design patterns. If you're a higher end guy, you think, oh, like I want to learn design patterns. Again, like 1 hour of complete free tutorial out here, learn design patterns, right? SharePoint, WCF, WPF, old technologies. Yes, we have all that, right? SQL Server, Performance Tuning, Xamarin, load testing. If you talk about Microsoft technologies, right? If you talk about C#, if you talk about MVC, and also some of the non-Microsoft technologies like Python and other technologies, you are at the right place, right? So go to Questpond, go to our demo videos and start learning new things in the coming new year. So we wish everyone a prosperous new year. We wish everyone learns. We wish that when you learn new things, that you get new opportunities, you land up into new, better jobs, right? And have a better life, right? So thank you, everyone. So remember, questpond.com and demo videos. Happy learning.